What the Great white. Great white. Great white shark. Cutting the live bait off. This, I'm out of here. Oh mate, get out of the rudder. Holy shit. Me, there's a huge great white behind me. Fuck, he's following me. Leave me alone. Fuck. He's still behind me. He's going at my rudder. Is he still here? Oh my god. He's still behind me. He's just following me. Please don't attack me, bro. How do I get him to leave me alone? He's still right behind me. Can you guys see that fin? Still following me. Yeah, he's still there. Oh my god. Please leave me alone, bro. That is a big great white. What can I throw out the back to get him away from me? I have lost sight of him. I don't like that. He could just be swimming underneath me too. I don't know where he's gone, but that huge swirl behind me, I hope that front camera picked it up. He's still following me. He's got a distance, but he could swim up on me at any moment. That thing was 4.5 meters long. It was longer than the kayak. That was a 1,000-pound shark, and he's still behind me. I'm not paddling super fast because I'm trying to keep the paddle strokes nice and quiet so he doesn't feel any sort of aggression towards me. Just keeping a real steady pace, not trying to be too frantic about this. Also trying not to get too close to the rocks because then he'll think that I'm a seal swimming towards the land. So I just need to keep going along the coast and pray that he leaves me alone.